What's up, YouTube? I'm out here. I'm gonna shop again tonight. Got a project over there working on someone's four-wheeler there. I cleaned up back there. Now I got my lawnmower in there. I got some mud grips on it. I got them tires on it. Came off an old golf cart, I guess. I don't even know. Found them in the neighborhood. But right now I'm just working on some lights for my four-wheeler. I got so far. I didn't have an M2 on there, but I got that one down there on the bottom. I'm gonna put some down here around the engine, and I'm gonna have all that on a separate switch than these two right here. And then on the last videos I had these colored ones on my go-kart. I took them off because go-kart needs a few things. That's nasty, but okay. What else? I'm just over here, got all my electrical stuff, got my soldering iron over there. I'm just trying to get the wires. You can barely even notice the ones going to that light. But I had this in, and it should be good. You'll barely be able to notice just by looking at it. Let's see. I'll be back once I get this here zip tied up, this little thing here, and then down here all zip tied. Alright, hold up. Alright, I just got that zip tied up. I'm not going to mess with that yet, because I still got to hook all of this stuff up here. I gotta hook this part up to that part right there. So I just don't know where I'm gonna mount that little box set, the little controller box. Hold up. Oh. This is Beyonce. That should be better. Let's see. Originally, it was in this little thing here. I took it out because I didn't feel like hooking that up. That 3 cigarette lighter thing. That's gonna be hooked up though later on for my phone charger. Now I gotta get a bar hook, weld it back up for this. Cause that's not good. It's just not good. Ow. So I'm thinking of putting these here and put one underneath the fender wall here. And then I'm gonna put one on that side, and then the 2 in the back. So let's see. Go ahead and get this stretched out. I'll be back once I get it stretched out. It's all tangled up. Alright, got it untangled. Got my shorter one here. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. Let's see. Rag. Good enough. Let's see. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna mount the controller. There's a little remote control part. And I might run its own power source straight to the battery. I need a secondary battery on here. I really do. Let's see. Guess I can mount it right here. That wouldn't be bad. Right there. Have the wires running straight down. Or just put a little hole in it. And the power wire can go that way. Yeah, that wouldn't be bad. And the lights can run underneath the fender here. I hooked up a horn. I took it off my go-kart. but I kind of burnt the relay out. I'm seeing what it could all push, and apparently a starter is its limit. So now I gotta go buy another $15 relay because the horn was all full of water. Still is. But I thought this was a horn, but apparently not. It just clicks, so it's a speaker. I gotta hook it up to the surround sounds now. Ugh. Been sick for the past week. Can't wait to. It's just now starting to get better. Anyways, let's go ahead and start running some of this wire for these lights. Well, let me do this real quick. I'll be back. Alright, I'm thinking I got 2 of the lights ran. I went ahead and hooked the things up so you can see how it is. Alright, I'm thinking of either putting it. My original plan was putting it like this, where you couldn't see it if you just went up and looked underneath it. But now I don't have nowhere to zip tie it to. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna stick them right there. Or just facing down. That wouldn't be bad. Or oh look, right there. That wouldn't be bad. Let's go ahead and zip tie all that up. Try that. Go take a test spin. See what it looks like. That's what we might do. Alright, let me get them 2 zip tied up. Oh shoot. Let's rip that off. Let me get those 2 things zip tied up. And we'll throw the other 2 somewhere in the back. And I'll zip tie them up off camera. So I'll be back in like a second for y'all. But like 20 minutes for me. Alright. I got them hooked up. I just zip tied the other 2 right there and there and just let it all sit for now. Let's go see how they look. Well, I guess that's gonna be it for this video. It's only 10 minutes, so I'm about to be done. Wrap this rest of the crap up and move on to something else. Well, guess I'll catch y'all later. Keep on watching.